Today we're gonna review the GoPro selfie stick. It's a 3-in-1 thing because it's a selfie stick, of course, right? You put, right, tighten here, you tighten here, and then you put the GoPro here, right? You screw it there, and then you use it as a selfie stick, right? I'm a snowboarder, so this is my selfie stick when I'm snowboarding, right? Like that, right? But this is more than meets the eye here, right? Because you can use it many ways, because it's not just a selfie stick, it is also a tripod, right? You, right here, you see this, you unscrew this, and it has these little tripod that it has here that you screw right back using the same screw. I hope you don't fail doing this, right? You screw it real nice like this, and then you see it's a tripod, stands on itself. Let me see, there you see? So then you could put the GoPro in an angle, right? And make sure, because that it holds, right? What I tried doing it, the way I tried doing it is, because when you do the tripod thing, right? If you put it this way, it will tip over, right? So I don't recommend that. So what I do is I make it straight. I make it straight like this. Put the camera here, and then that way you can. It's quite sturdy, right? It won't fall. Take my word for it. So yeah, this is what I like about this GoPro selfie stick, is that if you're by yourself, you could set it up somewhere, right? Do the frame it, and then go and when you're doing solo treks in the woods or something like that, you can set up this tripod to record you out there, right? Because since you're by yourself, you need something to hold the camera, and then you do the retake and you come back, right? You come back for it. So this is the GoPro selfie stick 3-in-1, 2-in-1. I'm not sure what the third it says 3-in-1, but I'm not sure what the third one is for. But it's very sturdy, you see, and then very easy to put away, right? Fold it like this, and then you put it in your pocket somewhere, and it's really nice. There you go. And it's, GoPro tough.